Aim of the experiment is to study the voltage current characteristics of photocell. Insif India's photocell setup includes a trainer kit, photocell, lamp house, a wooden plank on connecting wires along with instruction manual. Let's begin with connections, and before switching on the trainer kit, recheck the connections. As we are done with connections, let's switch on the trainer kit. Let's see the effect of light on the photocell. For that, set RL to off position, and switch on the lamp. The intensity of the lamp is varied in steps by changing the distance of lamp, and corresponding voltage is noted. Now for the VI characteristics, place the lamp in front of the photocell, and set resistance RL to 2K. Now slowly increase the intensity of light by rotating the intensity knob, or by moving the lamp, and note the voltage and its corresponding current, and plot the graph. Now, let's see the effect of different load resistances at the same intensity of light. Thanks for watching the video.